Big city blues got you down? Try moving to a smaller town. People who live in small towns and rural areas are happier than everyone else, according to new research out of Canada. What makes them so happy? Shorter commutes, cheaper housing, going to church, and feeling that they belong made for much happier people, according to the Toronto Star newspaper. On the flip side, city folks aren't as happy because they have fewer social connections, despite being surrounded by people, according to the Washington Post. Researchers from the Vancouver School of Economics and McGill University looked at survey responses from 400,000 people in a pair of Canadian studies, which asked questions like, how satisfied are you with your life on a scale from 1 to 10? Researchers found life was significantly more miserable in bigger cities across Canada. So if happiness is what you're after, small towns are what it's all about.